DaVinci Resolve Lite is one of the most amazing free video editors on the market, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly get the most out of it. First of all, we'll just have a look at how I built the introduction you just saw. To begin with, we open up DaVinci Resolve, and this is what you'll see once you select a blank project. Down the bottom here are our four main areas where we import the media, we edit the media, we can edit the separate media tracks, and then we deliver it. So our editing workspace looks like this, a color workspace looks like this, and in this area what we're going to do in this tutorial is key out some colors on some particular footage so that it transparently sits on top of other footage. Once we've got our project all done, then we'll export it, and we can customize the export. We can export it to YouTube, Vimeo, and the default settings are usually the ones to go with, but of course you can modify those. So now to create our introduction, what we'll do first is we'll import some media. Now, for good housekeeping, it's a good idea to create a project folder, and the way I do it is simply create all the assets in the project folder, the audio, images and vision. So in the audio, we've got some stock tracks and some sound effects. In the images, we've got some background images, and got some little talking bubbles here, and we've got some screenshots of the different resources that I've used in order to create this particular production. There is a lot of free stock footage, stock images out there, so there's no immediate need to buy stock footage and that sort of stuff. Same with the video. Got some backgrounds which we can use, and some different sort of effects. This is the one we're going to use for the introduction. Some lower thirds, and these are great little effects that you see often on sports shows and things like that. And this has a black background, and we'll be keying out that black background so that the lower third sits on top of the footage. Some screen recordings of what we've taken, and I'll keep adding to this as we go through. Some stock footage. It's always good to have a little bit of stock footage in your video production because it just increases the production value. In here we've got a little bit of archive footage, and archive footage can be great to throw in there just as a pattern interrupt to keep people interested in the production. And we've also got some wipes, and these are great for just transitioning in between clips. Okay, so we'll go back to our backgrounds,